Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. A certain part of my life I had spent in Pune, Maharashtra. And staying in a different state or country, you tend to adapt some of their favorite cuisines. My today's recipe is a breakfast item from the land of Maharashtra, very popular, known as poha. So without any further delays, let's have a look at the ingredients now. My first ingredient is of course poha or flattened rice. Here I have around 3 cups and I have kept it in a strainer because I am going to wash it and drain it before cooking. Next ingredient is a medium sized onion sliced, 2 potatoes which I have cubed into small pieces. This is an optional item. If you don't like potatoes, you can skip this or you can decrease the amount of potatoes also. Next I have some nylon save which is mainly for decoration, 1 lemon, around 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of peanut and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. My pan is hot and to this I have added around 3 tablespoons of white oil. First I'll start off with frying my peanuts. It took me around 2 to 3 minutes to fry my peanuts, and as you can see it has started turning red. That means it's done. So I'll remove them now. After removing my peanuts, in the same oil I'll add in my potatoes. I'll slightly fry them. It took me around 5 minutes to fry my potatoes, and as you can see they have started turning slightly reddish in color, and this is the consistency which I need for my potatoes. So I'll be removing them now. In the same pan I'll add in another tablespoons of white oil. Next I'll add in my onions to it. My onions have been cooking for around 6 minutes now, and as you can see it has slightly turned brownish in color. Now I'll add in my flattened rice or poha, which I have already washed it thoroughly in running water. Add in some salt, of course according to taste, and around a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This turmeric powder gives a very nice yellow color to our poha. I'll also add in my fried potatoes now. Give it a good mix. If you feel your poha is getting too dry, you can add in few tablespoons of milk to this. This will help to soften down the poha. So I am adding in around 2 tablespoons of milk. At the same time I'll add in my peanuts also. It is almost done. I'm just trying to give it a good mix. And around half tablespoon of sugar just to enhance the flavors. And finally our coriander leaves on top. And now I'll switch off my gas and do the plating. Before serving, I'll spread in some lemon juice on top and garnish it with some coriander leaves and some of our nylon save. And our poha is ready to be served. Our poha is ready and it is best served with none other than masala chai or tea. So friends, if you haven't tried this poha recipe before, do give it a try. If you have any further queries, do pop it in the comment section below. And with that, I'll end my video here. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.